How y'all doing? This video is gonna be a little bit different. It's actually all filmed by me. That's probably why it looks the way it does. I got a new DJI camera. The problem was I wasn't all that good at knowing how to use it. So the first part of the footage, the first half of the ride up there got deleted because I had to update the firmware on the camera and I had to do something with the memory. But hope you enjoy watching what I got. A fucking party. Hopefully this footage doesn't get lost and I have to format this bitch again. Guess we'll see. Stoked. I formatted the SD card and then I had to do a firmware update. It's working now, so we're at a Pilot gas station somewhere near Palmdale. I'm gonna try to get some riding shots, but hopefully I don't drop this thing and fucking lose it. Made it. Now the bike's broke, too bad. Worked out real well. Kind of ran out of spots for camping, but I think we did all right. Got a little spot kind of by the water. So yeah, pretty stoked. My setup, bike made it. There's Marissa. Say hi, Marissa. Kyle is over there in the sticks, so we're good to go. Perfect. Perfect. Thank you. Boy. Well, day one was a success. Or night one too. Now we're gonna go get some breakfast and try to get our shit together. Day two of the camp out. Just chilling today. Went and dipped myself in the river. Got rid of my hangover pretty quick. So it's gonna be a good day. Saturdays are usually a lot of fun, a lot of partying going on. So yeah, gonna be a blast.
I see the bands over there getting primed. Larry, easy on the nose beers, dog. Easy on the nose beers.
It gets violent. It was way worse last year.
Oh! I got you covered, homie. Oh!
Violent.
Oh! I like that, guys. Great. Oh!
Fuck off.
Yeah. You guys are dumb. You guys are so dumb.
I'm already.
What's up, dude? How's it going? Oh, you know, just wandering around with my camera like a fucking nerd.
Yeah, how's that going?
Well, that's it for Kernville 2023. All packed up, getting ready to roll. It was a good trip. It's actually a lot more mellow than it usually is. There wasn't so many bikes revving and shit, but it was a good time. So yeah, see y'all on the road. Well, made it home, getting the bike unpacked. I took that Monday off, or this Monday off, this big Monday. But yeah, she's a little dirty. Gonna have to give her a little bit of a bath before Texas, but the bike ran great. The sissy bar that I made held up. I really like this thrashing bag, man. This thing is dope. My buddy RJ let me borrow it because I was talking about buying one, and he was like, oh, I got one, and check it out. So I really like it. It came in handy. I got my sleeping bag and all my clothes for the weekend in it. So yeah, everything went really well. The Plex held up. This thing is insanely loud. Like, really mind blown at how easily I could hear it doing, the speed limit on the freeway. But yeah, I mean, even with the visor down, I could hear the music really clear. So yeah, all in all, very successful trip. Shout out to Builtwell. They're awesome, and a lot of that money that they make doing the camp out goes to the Kern River Conservancy, especially with what happened earlier this year. Those of you that don't know, they had major floods. Like, that whole campsite that we stayed at was like underwater. So, and apparently they didn't get very much help from the government, which doesn't surprise me. So yeah, shout out to Builtwell. They do awesome events. They always have. And yeah, everything was just awesome as usual. I was actually pleasantly surprised. Not that I'm a whiny old bitch, but I'm getting a little older. I like my sleep. So staying up till 3-4 o'clock in the morning isn't really my vibe anymore. But yeah, usually, you hear bike rev all through the night, and there wasn't a lot of that. So yeah, good trip. Hope you liked that footage from Kernville. Like I said, it's my first time using a camera besides my phone to film it. We actually have some cool merch coming out. So working with the dudes over at AS Prints. Shout out to AS Prints. We're gonna be doing some new t-shirt designs, some embroidered hats. We got a bunch of stuff coming down the pipeline. If you liked what you saw, do me a favor and go subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment, talk some shit about my film skills, whatever you want to do. Appreciate y'all. Have a good one.